This land, it tests you every single day. Every winter, it's a new test. But the land, it provides.
A dolly tracking shot moves along a frost-covered corral, revealing snow sheep huddled together for warmth.
An extreme close-up reveals an old, encased in frost.
It's dropping fast.
A Dutch angle shot pans across the darkening horizon, revealing ominous storm clouds gathering over the desolate tundra.
Every piece of wood, a promise of warmth.
Stay strong, my little ones. We will face this together.
An extreme close-up on a fresh wolf track in the snow, partially obscured by blowing snow, hints at rising threat.
Nothing. Only the silence answers me.
A crane pulls back.
Spirits of the land, protect my sheep. Protect this old woman.
Small things, but they can save a life.
I must go to them. My sheep need me.
Their legacy, my responsibility. I cannot fail.
One step, then another, and another. Never stop! No, not yet! I cannot stop! You will not touch them. Not while I breathe. you beasts!
This one fits perfectly here.
Careful, my love, don't drop it! Hold on, little one. I don't know if I can anymore. No, not like this. I will not yield. Not the lamb. We made it. We survived.
Easy now, little one. You're safe here. There, all done.
A crane shot reveals the Yakutia landscape transformed by massive, ethereal snowdrifts, a testament to the blizzard.
Nature's balm, soothe this wound. Grow strong again.
Hello? Is anyone there? I am here.
Thank you, spirits, for life, for warmth, for my ship.
A smooth crane shot reveals a new dawn.
This life, it teaches you true strength. Resilience is our way.
There you go, my beautiful friend. You are safe now.
Our stories live.
A wide aerial shot reveals Anya's resilient homestead. Life is good. Always. Even in the cold.
Sleep, little one. The spirits watch over protection, woven with care. for those I love.
A wide aerial shot reveals Anya's homestead, a vibrant island of life in the immense Yakutia wilderness.
The wolf, a teacher. The cold, a test.
This home, it holds my stories, my life. We are small, but our spirit is vast.
Such a good sheep. So warm.
Duerme tranquilo, mi luz, siempre te cuidaré.